How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to set your WhatsApp profile picture without actually losing quality. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your WhatsApp. And what you want to do is first message yourself. To do that, tap on this plus icon on the new chat. Now, once you do that, you'll find yourself, your name, and then in bracket, you'll see you. Just tap on it. And once you message yourself, you just want to send a picture from your gallery to yourself on the chat. And here you will see an option called HD. Just make sure to turn this one on. Then you can just select the picture that you want to send. Now once you make sure that you do this, you can just tap on this HD and item will be selected to HD quality. Now tap on send, and as you can see, you will see this HD tag once the picture is sent. Now you're just going to tap on it and save it to your gallery again. And what you're going to do now is go back to your profile, head over to settings, and then tap on your profile picture. All you have to do here is now go ahead and tap on this camera icon, and you'll have two options. You can either click a picture from camera or select it from your gallery. Go ahead and select from gallery. Now once you have selected the image, make sure to crop it and fit it where you want. I'm just going to make it so that it fits right here. Tap on done. And now your new HD image will be set as your profile picture. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.